Hello students, how are you? Okay, today we are going to discuss about multiplication. Okay, in previous class we have discussed some facts about multiplication. Okay, let's continue. Okay, then we have already discussed multiplication is repeated addition. Is it? For example, we know 5 plus 5 plus 5. We can write this as 5 1 time, 5 2 times, 5 3 times. So 3 times 5. Okay, we can write it as 3 into 5 equal to 3 into 5 equal to 50. Okay, so the answer is 50. We know this fact, is it? So let's do some questions. Okay, based on this factor. Okay, let's see a question. Okay, Sarah buys 3 bunches of bananas. Okay, there are 6 bananas in each bunch. Then how many bananas does Sarah buy altogether? Okay, let's draw some bananas. Okay, Sarah buys 3 bunches of bananas. Okay, in market we know we bought bananas as bunches. Okay, in one bunch there may be many bananas. Is it? Okay, let's say Sarah buys 3 bunches of banana. Okay, let's just draw 3 circles like 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 bunches of banana. In each bunch, how many bananas are there? Yes, 6 bananas. Is it? In each bunch, 6 bananas. Okay, let's draw 6 bananas here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then here again 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6. Okay. Then here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Sarah bought 3 bunches of banana and in each bunch there are 6 bananas. Okay. Then what is the question? Then how many bananas does Sarah buy altogether? That is, as a total, Sarah buy how many bananas? Let's count first. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So Sarah bought 18 bananas altogether. Sarah bought 18 bananas altogether. Okay. Then can you say it in a multiplication way? Can you say? Yes. How can we say? Here we can see. Here this bunch have 6 bananas. Okay. Let's write it as 6. Okay. 6. Then again this bunch have 6 bananas. Okay. Then 6 plus 6. Is it? Okay. Then again this bunch of banana have 6 bananas. Okay. Then we write it as 6. So we get 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay. Then how many 6s are here? Yes, 3 6s. Is it? So we can write it as 3 into 6 equal to 3 into 6 equal to 18. So Sarah bought altogether 18 bananas. Is it? Sarah bought altogether 18 bananas. Is it? Okay, let's look another questions. Okay, Ahmad paints 4 rows of animals. Okay, he paints 8 animals in each row. Then what is the total number of animals Ahmad paints? Okay, let's see one by one. Ahmad paints 4 rows of animals. Okay, row means, row means this kind of vertical lines. Okay, 4 rows means this is a row, second row, third row, fourth row. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay, then he paints 8 animals in each row. In each row, how many animals? 8 animals. Is it? So here in this row there are 8 animals. Let's put animals as a circle. 1 animal, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 animals. Okay. And again this row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 animals. That is, he painted 8 animals in each row. Okay, he painted 8 animals in each row. Then, what is the question? What is the total number of animals Ahmad paints? Then, what is the total number of animals he painted? Okay, let's see. Here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay, 4 rows. And in each row, how many animals? 8 animals. Is it? In each row, 8 animals he painted. Okay, let's see. Then, in first row, how many animals? 8 animals. Okay, here, how many animals he painted? 8 animals. 8 plus, then again in second row, how many animals he painted? Yes, 8 again. 8. Then in third row, how many animals he painted? Yes, 8. Is it? So 8 plus in fourth row again 8 animals. Is it? So 8. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many 8s are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 8s. Is it? So we can write it as 4 times 8 or 4 into 8 equal to 32. Okay, equal to 32. So Ahmad painted altogether 32 animals. Is it? Get it? Is there any doubt? Now we can study about some patterns. Okay. Okay, let's see. First pattern is can you see the patterns? Yes. Pattern 1, pattern 2 and pattern 3. Is it? Can you say how many sticks? How many sticks are here in pattern 1? Can you say? Yes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sticks on pattern 1. Is it? 3 sticks. Then, can you say how many sticks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sticks in pattern 2. Is it? Okay. Then, in pattern 3, can you say how many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 sticks in pattern 3. Is it? 9 sticks. Then we can write it as like in pattern number 1. Okay, in pattern number 1, how many sticks are there? 3 sticks. Is it? So we can write it here 3 sticks. Okay, in pattern number 2, there are 6 sticks. Okay, pattern number 2, there are 6 sticks. Okay, in pattern number 3, look at here how many sticks? 9 sticks. Is it? So in pattern number 3, there are 9 sticks. Get it? Okay. Then can you say this relation? 1, pattern number 1, there are 3 sticks. Pattern number 2, there are 6 sticks. Pattern number 3, there are 9 sticks. Then what will be the in pattern number 4? There will be how many sticks? There will be 12 sticks. Is it? 12 sticks. How can you get it? Can you say yes? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Is it? Is it? Can you say how many sticks there will be in pattern number 7? Can you say? How can we find? Yes, 7 trees. 7 trees are. Can you say 7 trees are? Yes, 21. 7 trees are 21. Is it? So this pattern give us the multiplication table of 3. Is it? Okay. Now look at these patterns. Okay, can you see these patterns? Okay, let's see. Can you say how many steps we will take for going up and going down for this pattern? Can you say? That is, we will going up. Okay, step 1. Okay, this is step 1. Step 1. Then we are going down from this pattern. Okay, so step 2. So how many steps we are going up and we are going down? So up and down there will be 2 steps. Is it? 2 steps. So we can write it as 2 steps. Then for this pattern, how many steps it will take going up and going down? How many steps? Let's see. Okay, 1 step here for going here. Then from here next step. Okay, from here next step. Then from here next step. Okay, so step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. Okay, total 4 steps will take for going up and going down of this pattern. Get it? So we can write it as 4 steps. Get it? And now look at this pattern. How many steps there will be going up and going down for this pattern? Let's see. Okay. We are starting from the ground. From here we are first jumping to this step. Okay. That's step 1. Okay. Then we are jumping from here to here. So step 2. Okay. Then we are jumping from here to here. So step 3. So now we reach at the top of this pattern. You see? Now we have to climb down. Okay. So from here we will jump here. So this will be 4th step. Is it? So we will jump from here to here. So this will be 5th step. Okay. Then finally we are jumping from here to here. So this will be 6th step. Is it? So total of 6 steps in pattern 3. Total we need 6 steps for going up and coming down. Total. Okay. So we can write it here. Okay. For pattern number 1, how many steps we needed? 2 steps. Is it? So we can write it as, okay, number of not sticks, number of steps. Okay, number of steps. We needed 2 steps. Is it? Okay, 2 steps. Then for pattern number 2, we need 4 steps. Is it? For pattern number 2, we need 4 steps. Is it? Okay. For pattern number 3, how many steps? Yes, 6 steps. Is it? For pattern number 3, we need 6 steps. Okay. Then can you say the relation here? Can you say, please look at these numbers and can you say the relation? Yes, this is the multiplication table of 2. Is it? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and in pattern number 4 there will be 2 4s are, can you say 2 4s are 8. Is it? Very good. Then can you say in pattern number, okay, can you say 9? In pattern number 9, how many steps there will be? Yes. How can we find? Yes. 2 9s are 18. So 18. We get 18. So these patterns give us the multiplication table of 2. Okay. Get it? Okay. You can say for any pattern you can say it will take how many steps? Is it? Can you say the number 6th pattern, how many steps there will be? How can we find? Yes, 2 6s are. That means 2 6s. 2 6s are. Can you say 2 6s are? Yes, 12. Is it? 12 12 steps will take for going up and down for pattern number 6. Get it? Okay. Okay, then these are about patterns. These patterns give us the multiplication tables. You can easily study multiplication table using this kind of patterns. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the real multiplication. Multiplication of a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number. Let's see. Okay. I am writing a questions like 23 multiplied by 4. Okay, 23 into 4. How can you do this multiplication? Okay, can you say you have studied it in previous class, but I am explaining here again. Okay, in general method we are using it like 23. Okay, 23 multiplied with 4. Okay, see the places. Okay, this is tens place, this is ones place. Okay, I am writing this 4 under the ones place. Okay, under the ones place. You have to write, when you multiply a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number, you have to write the 1-digit number below the ones place of 2-digit number. Okay, like this. 23 into 4. Okay, 4 is under the 3. That is ones place. Is it? Okay. Now what we will do is, first we will multiply this 3 and this 4. Okay. 3 into 4. Okay. Is 3 into 4 is, yes, 12. Is it? Yes, 12. So 12. I am writing 12 here. Okay. This is tens place, this is ones place. Is it? And I am writing this 2 from this ones place. Okay. From this ones place, this 2 I am writing it here. Okay. 12. From 12 I write 2 here. Okay. What is remaining? S. That is a 1 is remaining. I write this 1 here. Okay. I write this 1 here. And now we have to multiply this 4 with the next number. What is the next number? S. 2. Is it? 4 into 2. 4 2s are, can you say 4 into 2? Yes, 8. Is it? 4 into 2, 8. So now you have to add this 8 with this 1. Okay, 8 plus this 1 equal to 9. So we write that 9 here. So the answer is 92. The answer is 92. See it? Let's take another example. 47 into 5. 47 multiplied by 5. Okay, how can we write it for multiplication? Yes, we write it as 47 into 5. Okay, 5 is written under the ones place. Okay, under the 7. Is it? Not that. Now, what we will do first? Yes, we will multiply this 7 and 5. That is numbers under ones place. Is it? Ones place first. Okay, this is tens place, this is ones place. So, 7 into 5. What is 7 into 5? Yes, 7 into 5 is 35. So, I write 35 here. Now what we will do? Yes, we will write this 5 only here. Okay, we will write that 5 only here. Okay, then what is remaining? Yes, remaining there is a 3. Is it? So I write that 3 just here. Okay, then what we will do next? Yes, we will multiply this 5 with this 4. Okay, this 5 with this 4. Okay, 5 4s are 5 into 4 is 5 into 4 is, yes, it is 20. Okay, I write 20 here. And now what we will do? Yes, we will add this 3. Okay, this remaining 3 with this 20. Okay, 20 plus 3 get the answer as 235. You see it? Get it? Okay, next example is 85 into 3. 85 into 3. Okay, first what we will do? Yes, we will write 85 into this 3 here. Is it? Okay, then first we will multiply this 5 and 3 together. 5 into 3. What is 5 into 3? Yes, 15. Is it? 15. So, I write this 5 alone here. Okay, I write this 5 alone here. What is remaining? Yes, remaining there is a 1 and I put that 1 here. Okay. Now let's multiply this 3 and this 8. Okay. 3 and 8. 3 into 8 is, can you say 3 into 8? Yes. 3 into 8 is 24. Is it? So 24. Now we have to add this remaining 1 with this 24. So I get 24 plus 1 equal to 25 and I write that 25 here. So I get the answer 255. Is it? Get it? Okay. Okay. Now we are going to study about multiplication using partitioning. Okay. You all know what is partitioning means. Is it? Okay. Partitioning means the expanded form. Okay. So we are taking an example 23 into 5. Okay. 23 into 5. Okay. Now can you say the partitioning form of 23? Yes. It is 20 plus 3. Is it? We can expand this 23 as 20 plus 3. So the partitioning form of 23 is 20 plus 3. Is it? Now we will multiply this each number with 5. Okay. That means we will write it as 20 into 5 plus 3 into 5. Okay. Why? Because we have to multiply this 23 with 5. So first we will write the partitioning form of 23. That means 20 plus 3. Okay. Now we are multiplying each number, each partition with this 5. Okay. That means 20 into 5 plus 3 into 5. Okay. That is 23 into 5. We can write it as 20 into 5 plus 3 into 5. What is 20 into 5? Can you say what is 20 into 5? Yes, 20 into 5 is 100. Is it? 20 into 5 is 100. Then what is 3 into 5? Yes, it is 50. Is it? So 100 plus 50 equal to 115. 115 is the answer. Get it? Now let's take another example. Okay, 43 into 3. Okay, we have to solve this question using partitioning method. Okay, for that what we will do first? Yes, we will partition this 42. Partition means the expanded form. Okay, what is the expanded form of 42? Yes, 40 plus 2. We will write the expanded form of 42. 40 plus 2. Now what we will do? Yes, we will multiply each of this partition with 3. Is it? So what we will write? 40 into this 3 plus and this 2 into this 3. Okay. So what we will get? 40 into 3 is, 40 into 3 is, you have to calculate. Okay. 40 into 3 is 120 and plus, what is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is 6. Is it? 6. Now we have to add these two together. 120 plus 6 is, yes, 126. 126 is the answer. Okay, get it? Now we can discuss about multiplication using grid method. Okay, in grid method, first we have to draw a grid like this. Okay, like this you have to draw a grid. Okay, and we can take an example. 27 into 4. Okay, 27 into 4. First what we will do? First we will partition this 27 as, okay, we can partition it as 20 plus 7. Is it? We can partition it as 20 plus 7. Okay. Now we have to write this 20 plus 7 like this. Okay. Look at the grid carefully. Okay. 20 plus 7. Okay. I am writing 20 here and I am writing 7 here. Look at carefully. Okay. Now we are multiplying this 27 with 4. Is it? We are multiplying this 27 with 4. So I am putting this 4 here. Okay. Look at here. Where I am putting this 4? Yes. Here I am putting the 4. Okay. Now what we will do? Now we have to multiply this 4 with 20 first. Okay. 20 into 4. What is the answer? 20 into 4. Can you say? Yes. It is 80. Is it? 80 is the answer. So I am writing the answer below the 20. Okay. 20 into 4 and I am writing the answer here below the 20. The answer is 80. Is it? Now I am multiplying this 4 into this 7. Okay. 4 into 7 you get 28. Is it? What we will do? Now you have to add this 80 and this 28 together. Okay. 80 plus 28. What will you get? 80 plus 28. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. So the next example is 87 into 8. Okay. 87 into 8. So what we will do first? Yes. First we will partition this 87. Okay. So we get 80 plus 7. Is it? We get 80 plus 7. Now what we will do? We will write this 80 here. Where I am writing this 80? Here. Okay. I am writing this 80 here and I am writing this 7 here. Okay. 80 and 7. I am writing this 80 here and this 7 is here. Okay. Now I am multiplying this 87 with 8. Is it? So I am writing this 8 here. Okay. I am writing this 8 here. Look at the exact position where I am writing these numbers. Okay. These positions are very important in grid method. Okay. Now what we will do? Yes, we will multiply first this 8 into this 80. What is 8 into 80? Can you say? Yes, it is 640. Okay, it's 640. This 8 into 80, you have to do it in notebook. Okay, 8 into 80 is 640. Okay, now what we will do? We will multiply this 8 with this 7. Okay, 8 into 7 is, can you say 8 into 7? It is 56. So now what we will do? Yes, now we will add this 640 and this 56 together. Can you add? Yes, 640 plus 56. Okay, 0 plus 6 is 6. 4 plus 5 is 9. Is it? Then this 6 we will write it here. So we get the answer 696. So we can write 640 plus 56 equal to 696. Okay, get it? Okay, if you still didn't get it, I will take another example. Okay, it is 46 into 4. Okay, 40 is here and this 6 is here. Okay. Then what we will do? We will multiply this 46 with 4. So we will write this 4 here. Okay. 46 and we will write this 4 here. Okay. Now what we will do? Yes, we will multiply this 4 with 40 first. What is 4 into 40? Can you say? Yes, it is 160. Okay, you have to multiply it. Okay, you have to separately multiply this 4 into 40. Okay, it will get 160. Okay, then 4 into 6. Can you say what is 4 into 6? Yes, it is 24. Okay, now what we will do? Yes, we will add this 160 plus this 24. 160 plus 24, we will get 160 plus 24, 4, 6 plus 2, 8, then 1. So we will get 184 as answer. 184 as the answer. Get it? Okay. So the multiplication is almost completed, and before you studying multiplication, you have to study the multiplication table at least from 1 to 10. Okay, it is compulsory. Then only you can do the multiplication easily. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Okay, so you have to study the multiplication table very well. Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you.